Alright. Alright. Today I'm going to teach you how to clean your AR. Airsoft AR. Orange tip and all that. My AR. I will make airsoft videos if I make a new channel. I'm not going to make them with my phone because if somebody hits my phone with a stray bullet, it's going to break. So hopefully over Christmas I get a GoPro. I hope. But yeah, I'm just going to teach you how to clean your gun. Well, basically with my electrical AR, all I really do is take a spray bottle, just go down the line. That's all you do. But I'm sick and I've thrown up millions of times. I've already gone over this with disinfectant. I haven't thought this was a good video idea until I haven't sprayed it down with water yet. I just let the disinfectant stay on here until it dried. If you don't know what disinfectant is, it's this, and supposedly it cleans things. Not sponsored. Basically, you just go down the line, spray it a couple times. Once feel comfortable, you just go ahead and go play airsoft, which is tomorrow. So if anybody that plays airsoft or wants to play airsoft, it really, your mom's like, no, it's too dangerous or something. It's really not. Like, I'm not sure why parents think it's really dangerous, other than it is quite dangerous to be comparable. So I am on the parent side. I won't let my children go unless they're 10 or something. I would let because that's legal though. It's illegal to take your kids when they're like 9 or something. Apparently, I'm not sure why. Like, I wish I could. Oops. Oh crap! I almost said the S word. There we go. Let's go down. Got my battery. And that's basically all I'm gonna do. Show you how to clean your rifle. Oh wait, I have a pistol to clean too. I completely forgot about that.
Resulted in a suicide every 15 minutes.
Okay.
And speaking of veterans, did you know 22 of our nation's veterans commit suicide every single day?
Yes, I did. Of course, I feel very bad for suicidal, but I really don't know why people do. Just gonna set you down right there. Let me put this right here. It's a real good spot. What the hell was that? I'm not even sure. Just gonna go ahead. Grab the disinfectant. Hear the sizzle. Hear it? If you don't, you're deaf. Deaf. Go ahead, here. Flip it on over. Red Rover, come right over. I might get a dirt bike this Christmas. I'm not sure. Just go ahead. So here. Take your rag. I took my case off because it was kind of annoying, and my hamster died. couple of weeks ago. Like, as in a couple of weeks, about a month ago. And we dry this off. Go ahead and contact around you. I would use disinfectant on your guns too, because it just makes them look more blacker and neater than what before, and makes them shine a lot better. And water does that too, but I rather use disinfectant because you cough and touch your gun, and somebody else's, and you're like, show your friend, and your friend wants to hold it. Now he's gonna have your cough all over your hand, then yeah, nobody's gonna be happy. It's good ASMR. Just go ahead, just. Also, I don't know, somebody, like one of my friends was like, ASMR, and I was like, what's that? He was like, oh, it's this relaxing thing where it's like a medical care. I hope she sleeps, so I watched it in the middle of the night, and I was like, holy hell. What the fuck is this woman doing? And then out of nowhere, I'm like, huh, I'm tired. And then I just knock out. 1 KO knockout. And it's like John Cena just punched me with all his width. And I just fell gradually to my freaking death. Because I fell off my bed. Right when it was school time. I watched my phone, ASMR, see if it would help me go to sleep for school. Yes, it did. But not in the way that I liked it. But yeah. This is going to be it for the video. See you guys in the next one.